there, Stephanie of Stephanie Stitches here. Welcome to my channel where together we sew. If you're brand new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring the bell for notifications so you'll know when I go live or post a video like this one. If you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back. I love having you and seeing your comments down below. So today is the day. Today I get to give away the kit for the Fort Worth Fabric Studio Mystery Sew Along Dark Flight. So every time I've sewn along, Fort Worth Fabric Studio has been super generous to give me an extra kit to give to one of you. I love being able to do that. The downside is I wish I had one for everybody, but unfortunately I don't. So if you participated in the giveaway, thank you so much. I loved seeing everyone's comments, how everyone celebrates and loves fall. Autumn is my favorite season, and it sounds like it is for a lot of you too. So thank you guys so much for sharing all your thoughts with me. I hope you come back and sew along. If you didn't win this kit, check out Kathy's Cute Creations or Hand Toss Crafts. Those are the other two ladies who sew along on this kit. And I know each of them has one to give away. I don't know if they've given them away yet. I don't think so. But go ahead and check them out. And if you haven't seen a video, keep watching them to see when their video pops up. And maybe you'll get another chance. But if you do want to sew this and you want the kit, I would go ahead and grab it as soon as you can, because Fort Worth Fabric Studio does tend to sell out very quickly. And I wouldn't want you to miss out. Now, if you can't get the kit, that's okay. Fort Worth Fabric Studio is very happy to give you the patterns for free. You just have to be able to download the PDF. And I'm going to pop up a few slides here in a minute and show you where to go to get those. And that way you kind of have an idea of what you're looking for, and you'll know where to go to download the PDFs when they're uploaded. This begins August 29th again, and the first week is usually the cutting instructions and fabric requirements. So if you're sewing from your stash, that will be the week that you want to come on over, grab that so you can get your fabrics out and start cutting. And if you get the kit, all you have to do is cut. So I'm going to pop those slides up here. Also, don't forget to check out their coordinating table topper, which they haven't done this before, so this is kind of neat. They have a table topper that coordinates with the quilt. The quilt is, I believe, 56 by 56, and then there's a table topper that coordinates with it. Now, it's not indicative of what the quilt is going to look like, so don't think you're going to know just because you get the table topper, although the fabrics are the same, from the same fabric line. So it's going to definitely coordinate, but not necessarily match. So check that out. I'm going to pop that picture up now. Okay, and now to announce the winner, the thing that you all came here for. Like I said before, I wish I had a kit for everyone. I truly do, but obviously I can't do that. But I did want to thank all of you again for coming by, because that was so fun for me. So here is the winner. I'm going to pop up the name now. Congratulations to the winner. Thank you so much. I'm so happy that I get to give this kit away to you. Make sure you contact me at the email down below. I'm going to put it right here on the screen, and it's also going to be in the description box. That's the only way that you should contact me. If anybody contacts you in the comments, any of you out there, and says you're a winner, it's not true. Please don't click anything. If it says click here, that has happened in the past on my channel and several other creators' channels. Those are spam bots trying to steal your information. So never, ever, ever give anybody your information in a comment on YouTube. Always question that. So go ahead and email me the winner, and I will get that kit out to you as soon as possible. I'd love to get it out to you before my retreat next week. That way you can be sure to have it on time when we begin. So if you could contact me within the next 24 to 48 hours, that'd be wonderful, and we'll get that taken care of. All right, everybody, thanks so much for coming by. I hope to see you tomorrow on Saturdays with Steph, live at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. My friend Yvette and I are going to work on our squared up quilt that we've been working on. This is part 4, and fingers crossed we finish it this week. I'm getting pretty close, so I hope to get that done before we go on retreat, because the following Saturday we will not have a Saturdays with Steph because I'll be gone. And I'll have a few more videos in the next week, but I'll be lighter on videos because of the retreat. And then when I get back, I'm going to have a bunch of fun announcements and things for us to do together this starting of the fall, autumn, sew along season. So lots of fun stuff coming up. I just can't tell you yet. So stay tuned and I'll see you soon. Bye!